Good morning, everybody. It is Dale here with the Santa Sells Houses team. I'm standing on a roof in downtown London. Checking out the skyline behind me here. It is a drizzly Monday morning, here with the Monday morning update on October 26th. What's been happening the past week? Well, today the government is loosening up some restrictions on COVID policies, increasing some of the capacity. Open houses are starting to, we've had them for a bit, but the rules are changing again. So now we can, we have the option of social distancing, basically what we already had, keeping a 2-meter distance with everybody masked inside the open house. Or alternatively, we can request proof of double vaccination, and then it's a higher capacity at that point. There's still not a whole lot of people doing open houses yet, just it's a little clunky, and a lot of sellers just don't want them just yet either. So it's all in the sellers' comfort zone as well, what they prefer and require. Let's get into some numbers. So in the past week here in London, we saw 124 new listings come to market. We had 19 conditionally sold, which is not that many conditionals, and we had 156 actually sell firm. So again, pretty common trend here that we've been seeing the past several years, that the solds are significantly outpacing the new listings. So again, we've got very, very low inventory, only about 2 to 3 weeks of inventory here in the city, which is extremely low. In a balanced market, we're more like 4 months, 6 months kind of range. So not a lot of homes out there to look at. I listed one on Thursday and one on Saturday, and between the two we've had 48 combined showings. So pretty high activity level on homes still. Fantastic for sellers, obviously. As a buyer, you need to have your favorite realtor and have a solid strategy in place to be successful in a market like this. It's definitely not impossible. We're definitely helping buyers be successful finding the homes that they want. You just have to be proactive and get your financing approval in place, get some steps in place, and have a solid understanding of what the market is like. Halloween is coming up this Sunday, so watch out for the little ones running around in their costumes. They all get excited. Sometimes they forget to look. So yeah, just drive slow on Sunday if you're out and about, or even better, just stay home and hand out some candy to them. Hope everybody has a fantastic week. Stay safe out there.